Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Goan delegation to meet PM and President to demand special status. Mathani to head the delegation. I would have killed my husband if I would have known his inhuman deeds. Pooja Naik, wife of Mahanand, tells Prudent in an exclusive interview. Goan tourism industry will not be affected by the US advisory. Tourism Director Swapnil Naik states after US advisory asking their citizens to avoid Goa. Damu Naik criticizes ad hoc committee functioning, says ad hoc committee meetings are turning into Janta Darbars. BJP asks government to scrap SEZs immediately, asks if DLF SEZ can be denotified, why can't SEZ in Goa? And Brazilian coach and physical trainer for Churchill brothers, star striker Odafe, Kalu and Timak were retained. Now the news in detail. Delegation of Goa's movement for special status will meet Prime Minister and President of India very soon with regards to special status for Goa. Convener of movement Mathani Saldana briefed about their further plans on Friday.
Mathani Saldana said that all should be united on one point, that is special status for Goa, as it is necessary to preserve Goa's identity.
Different people are talking different languages. Some people are saying special status for industry, some people are saying special status for tourism, some saying economic special status, but nobody is talking a common language. Shantaram Naik has said that we want special status under 371. But we want to make it very clear that we have given our letter of our demands to all the members of parliament, all the members of the Legislative Assembly, and we said we want special status under Article 371 of the Constitution of India to protect the identity of people of Goa, not purely economic interest. We have all got the benefit of economic interest, socially, culturally, economically, politically, and their identity, but their land is going. So all this to protect, 371 is the article under which we should get the special status. We will be meeting the President of India and the Prime Minister of India on this issue very soon.
He demanded that government should gather people's support on this issue before sending it to Government of India.
Now what we are asking is that the government, before doing anything, must make this issue public. Whatever they are sending the Government of India or the members of Parliament, they have to give it to the people first before even sending that, so that we know what special status they want to give us.
They will speak with Chief Minister and all three MPs of Goa on this issue.
All the three MPs should come together and forward the decision in Parliament. Mr. Shantaram, and we had also a program in the TV in your channel, and his point of view is acceptable to us because he is talking about special protection for the identity of Goa. I have also spoken to the other member of Parliament, who is that Mr. Sripad Naik. He is also of the same opinion. The third one we will meet.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Pooja Naik, wife of Dupatta killer Mahanand Naik, in an exclusive interview to Prudent, has claimed that she herself would have strangulated her husband to death if she would have known about his inhuman deeds. She has flatly denied any allegation that she was introducing Mahanand to the victims.
Pooja Naik denies her involvement in Mahanand's horrifying crime saga. She told Prudent that she never met any victims except Dipali Jotkar and Sushila Fatarpekar.
आता ही जी चलयां मेल्या पळय मारल्या मानंदान त्यांची फॅमिली म्हणटा की तू सदांच पुढाकार घेतला अशें म्हणटा की मानंदाक इंट्रोड्यूस करून
ना तेंगे कोणाक वळखूच ना खंय रे खंयची जंगलां आमी वयतात ती खंयची जंगलांतली ती खंय मरे ती त्या सरान सांगलें म्हाका आनी हांव आसतना आनी एक केस येयल्ली न्हू हांव आसतना आनी एक कोण येयल्ली चेडूं आनी एक कोणा चेडवाचो एक भाव का कोण येयल्ले रे तेन्ना आनी तें तोंडार विचारलें तू म्हाका वळखता की हांव ना म्हणपा लागली ना रे बाबा हांव कसले बाबतींत हांव कोणाकय सपोर्ट करपी मनीस न्हू घोव जालें कितें जालें हांवूच म्हाज्या हातीन मारूं वयता आशिल्लें तेका असलो मनीस म्हाका कळ्ळें
Pooja Naik also expresses total ignorance about Mahanand's affairs with women. Mahanand had deceived Sushila Fatarpekar, a nurse from Panji Hospital, hiding his relationship with Pooja. Mahanand got friendly with Sushila when Pooja was hospitalized.
तुझे चली हांगा मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलान एडमिट आसलें न्हू दोनापावल
हय हय आशिल्लें
हय तेन्ना सुशिला फादरपेकर ती नर्स ती तेका महानंदान मारलें न्हू तेका तूं वळखनासलें तेन्ना थंय तुज्या वॉर्डान बी ते ट्रिटमेंटाक पेशंटांक ट्रिटमेंट करिनासलें
बाबा पळय हांव सिजरान तेन्ना बायक पळय थंय एडमीट केला न्हू
हय
तेन्ना हांव सिजरान म्हणजे फक्त खाटीर न्हिदो चेडवाक किंवा फक्त दुदाक करपाचें आनी म्हाजें काम खाटीरच म्हाका म्हाकाच उठोवन बसोवचें पडटालें आनी ती कोण येताली ती म्हाजी सेवा करनाशिल्ली फक्त चेडवाची सेवा केली गेली कळ्ळें न्हू आनी चेडवाक ते इन्क्युबेटरान घालून दवरलेलें रुमाक हाडून तेणी कांयच खबर आतां ते आमी दोगां भितर उरतालीं न्हू हांव आनी चेडूं भितर उरतालें तो आपलें कितें जेवण हाडून दी कितें वखद हाडून दी असली कामां तो करतालो आनी त्याने केन्ना कोणाची वळख मारली कितें केलें म्हाकाच कळटली बाबा भायर म्हाका पाटील सर सांगतालो तेका इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळटा त्या भशेन त्याने खंय हांव भायर म्हूण सांगोकूच ना खंय
केन्नाच सांगू ना कोणाकूच
ना थंय हितून मणिपालांक खंय अशें म्हणून सर म्हणो म्हाका जाणा मुगो म्हणून हांवें तुका तूं बायल आपल्या हांगा एडमीट आहा सांगोकूच ना म्हणून भुरगीं एडमीट आहा म्हणून अशें म्हणून म्हाका सरान सांगलें थंय चवकशी करपाक गेली त्या दिसा
Pooja alleged that the lady filed rape case against Mahanand as her husband refused her proposal to marry her. The serial killings by Mahanand came to light when police started investigating into this alleged rape case.
म्हाका सोड म्हणून सांगा खंय तेजे कडेन लग्न जाता म्हणून सांगा खंय तें
आतां हालीं
हय
आनी मागीर
त्याने म्हणलें दिसता कितें आपले भुरगीं आसा लोक कितें म्हणटा अशें कितें म्हणलें दिसता आनी तेंगे कितें झगडी जाली दिसता
ओके मागीर
म्हणटकीर त्याने मागीर ती कंप्लेन दिली काय कितें जालें तेंचे थंय मागीर वाद तो ते म्हाका काय खबर ना मागीर तेंचे कितें वाद जालो तो पुलीस घरा कडेन येयल्ले तेजे कितें फोटो काडल्या अशें म्हणून घरान उरतील तेणी ते मेळ्ळे काय ना मेळ्ळे म्हाका खबर ना तेंका चावी काडून दिवची घराची.
A reporter in Panji, Paresh Parab.
US advisory has cautioned its citizens of high terror threat in India. They have advised their citizens to avoid Goa. But Director of Tourism Swapnil Naik feels that US advisory won't affect Goan tourism, as very few US tourists visit Goa.
The impact of terror attack on Mumbai last year is still not over. It has tremendously affected the economy and tourism in the country. Recent US advisory says that India is still clouded with terror threat and it has asked its citizens to be cautious while travelling to India. It has asked US citizens to stay away from public places frequented by tourists in large cities as well as tourist areas like Goa. Home Minister P. Chidambaram and Defence Minister A.K. Antony still believes that India is completely safer than any other country in the world. We contacted the Director of Tourism Swapnil Naik on this issue. He told us that US advisory won't affect Goan tourism as very less tourists from US come here.
As far as directly Goa is concerned, the number of American tourists as such visiting Goa is very less. They are major countries are the European and the CIS countries. I feel that there should not be much of effect. Another thing, I have not seen the advisory, whatever I have read in the papers today, it seems it's a general advisory. It's not specific to any place or anything. It says people should avoid visiting places which are frequented by tourists. Considering the general scenario.
Swapnil Naik couldn't answer more queries by our reporters as he was unaware about the important US advisory.
So I don't feel that it should directly affect our tourism. Anyway, these advisories are being issued, they are being withdrawn, that process keeps on happening. So I don't think overall it will affect but I also, as I said, I have not exactly seen the advisory, what it says, what period it mentions or anything like that. So I will not be able to give my detailed comments on that.
Our reporter in Wasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
It's time for a short break. After the break, watch BJP's demand to scrap all SEZs immediately. Stay with us.